mini computers. Better this than sitting and playing games all day. Like at 5 AM before I wake up, it'll turn itself on, so when I go down, I'll have to flick it and then wait for it to warm up. And when I come down, it'll already be warm. I'm basically using this regulator, and one part of it goes into mains, one part of it goes into the Raspberry Pi. So, let's see what happens. Okay, so excuse the mess, but we're part way there. I've actually got the Raspberry Pi set up, so I've not plugged this in yet. I will do later, just to make sure it's working. But at least I've got this up and I'm working. So I'm gonna set up the code and get everything ready. Okay, so we have an infinite loop of this. It says lamp, but it's not lamp. Basically, it says off. The light turns green. Wait, you'll see it, you'll see it, you'll see it, you'll see it. Aha! Let's go. Now I just have to plug it into the coffee machine. Alright, so. See this, you see this, right? Press run. I want to press this, right. Nothing. Ready? This took me way too long. I shouldn't have spent that long on it. I just put them in the wrong pins. But now they're working, so kind of big chilling. Okay, here is a rundown of what is happening. Basically, we're taking the plug, taking it through a 240 volt to 5 volt regulator, which will then get a cable that will go to the Raspberry Pi and that will power it. Then we're taking 2 cables from just before the regulator and we're taking that over to one of them, the neutral one, is going over to the coffee machine plug. The other one is going into a relay, which will then go into the Raspberry Pi and be regulated by the Raspberry Pi. I'm kind of starting to put everything together. So this is the mains cable, this is what's going into the relay, this is the regulator, this is the USB. So it's kind of coming together. I will update you once I do something else. Gluing everything together. So the issue is this middle terminal is unglued, untightened itself. Chilling. I'm gonna tidy this up and I will come back to you guys in the morning. Okay, real quick, moment of truth. I couldn't let it wait. Set everything up. Just gonna. Okay. Oh, okay. Good question. What is? Oh, wait, it's working. Let's go. It's working. We have managed it. This either works or blows up. So it is the next day, but I slept in a bit. I woke up at 7:30 because I stayed up till like 10:30 trying to figure out why nothing's working on the coffee machine. I'm thinking it could be a power issue with the relay because it's not making a switching noise, but the LED's turning on. Maybe it's a dead relay. We shall find out. Got a bit annoyed. We did spend so long on it. I don't even know how to start what I'm about to say. So basically, I found out why the relay wasn't working because my stupid ass didn't read the title of the relay. clearly reads 12 volts DC. Think about this, right? A 12 volt relay and 5 volts going into the relay. I have the second relay, which I originally used, but I thought, you know what? I'm just not going to use it. We're going to use this 5 volt relay, which will work. Yeah, that's stupid. Now I have to rewire everything. Let's go! Moment of truth. Will the stuff still turn on? Okay, we're looking for a little light. Please don't blow up. Okay, hello? We got a light, we got a light. Okay, Raspberry Pi is working. Button, copy start.py. We're about to send it. Yes? Please, for the love of God, turn on when I press this button. That's a good question. Did the relay work? Wait, do we have a switch off sound is the question. Oh, why? See, this time, we don't only have a light on this Raspberry Pi, we have a light on the... Okay, so, moment of truth. I don't fully understand why this isn't working. My thought was, maybe it's because it's upside down. I'm gonna test it. So, let's try and link this all back together. Hope I don't like electrocute myself. So I can't actually SSH into the Raspberry Pi for some reason. So I have to display it on my TV. We're about to test this thing and see what is happening. It's either the fact that it's upside down, or it could be the hot glue, but I don't know why the hot glue would affect this in any way. Here is the GPIO pin layout, right? So this is it, this is everything. The bottom of it is here, and the top of it is here. But I've put it upside down, okay. Okay, it's waiting for the button. Aha! The button works. So we listen. It works. There is no problem because it works. Stop coffee. Yeah. What? If this works. What the hell? How? Why? Oh bro, it's my phone. I've never gone so scared. See, it does work. Okay. Moment of literal truth, right? Let's go run downstairs and see whether it works. Alright, well that fell off, but I can fix it. Yes! Woohoo! It works. It works. See that? It works. Oh, it works. Beautiful. It's better work. There's a second attempt. Oh, and it works. Oh, how beautiful. It's going to turn off in 10 minutes now. So if anyone wants to use this code, it's going to be in the description. And if you're wondering how I set it to wake up at 5 AM every day, what I've done is basically using Chrome tab. So if you type in Chrome tab -e, so it goes minute, hour, day, month, week, I don't know, something like that. You can read up, and then you put your command in. But basically, it starts the coffee at 10 to 4, and stops the coffee machine at 5:30. So that's how you do that. The GitHub repo is going to be in the description. Chrome tab, I've just explained it. That's basically how you just run all your scripts at a given time. I don't know whether I've said it earlier in the video, but the way that I run the button command, basically an infinite while loop that turns the coffee machine on when pressed, and then waits 1,000 seconds and then turns it off. so you have time to make your coffee and everything, and then it clears the GPIO thing. So the way that I did that is through this command. I'll just put it on the screen, I can't be bothered to explain it. But basically it just runs the script in the background for just forever until the Raspberry Pi shuts off. And that's me done. You can't see that. It's 5:07. The coffee machine should be turned on. So let's go for a walk. Yes. Let's go. You see that? You see that? Let's